Wow, look at these ones. Wow, beautiful ones. Wow, wow, wow. What bird? What bird? Mom says shut up. Raven. It looks like that fruit was a big success there. Apples, red apples. Apples, green apples. And mangoes. What do you think? Pretty cool ravens, right? Very cool ravens. Somebody's not saying what. Certainly are not. Raven, raven. Raven, 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 raven. Raven. Young birds, I bet. Raven. It's flying. Really good flyers. Bad? Oh, sorry. Mango, mango. Special kind of tree, according to the people. Mango. Yummy, mango. All gone. You know, I bought the mango for the sweetheart bird, but the sweetheart bird didn't like it. That's what happened. See ya. Bye.